What's up, ladies and gentlemen? How you doing, boys and girls? As you can see, I got all the trees around me. So what I'm gonna do now today is to show you something. Now, I don't know about you and your Mini 2. When I had my Mini 2, when I said, get back here, boy. And you hit the home button on the remote to tell the Mini 2 to come back to the home point. The home point is where you first started to take flight with your Mini 2, with the GPS technology, because that thing is small. It's going to be in the sky somewhere. You can't see where it is now. By looking at the map on the phone, you know roughly where it's at, but you can't see them. So in case of your battery is low or GPS signal is weak, you don't feel safe, you hit the home button with software and GPS. It's going to tell the drone to come back. With the Mini 2, every time it's back to the home point, yeah, it's not bad. It's going to stop and land right in front of you, but it's always 5 to 6 feet from the original home point. So I don't know if you got 5 to 6 feet is still not a big deal. It's great, at least it's not 5 or 6 miles. But now with this Mavic 3, we're gonna check this out to see how good it is compared to the Mini 3. Give me 1 minute, let me set this up.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay, everyone, you see where the red pyramid is? That's the exact spot where the devil took off. Okay, remember that now. So we'll bring the devil roughly 200 feet high, 1,000 feet from here, and we're gonna bring it back and see where it's gonna land. We're almost there. Okay, I'm gonna hold on to the home button on the remote and bring the devil back to the home point.
Go home.
I'm gonna speed it up so the video won't get too long. Guess where the devil is gonna land, people? But if you look at the comparison, ladies and gentlemen, the bottom is the departure and the top is the arrival of the devil. And I would say it's about 6 to 12 inch apart. 6 to 12 inch? Are you kidding me? I gotta do another one.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Now, people, we're gonna fly this devil to a different direction. So the previous flight or the action is not hidden in the cache, so to speak. Don't worry, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna make this quick. Get back here right now, boy.
Go home. Landing.
I hope the devil didn't pee in his pants since I'm rushing it like that. Oh my goodness, look at these people. I think this is less than 6 inch. I gotta bring a measuring tape next time. What the heck is he mumbling about? Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, until next time, there'll be another video like this coming out. Better or worse, you're entitled to your own opinion. Still, hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you. Next time, adios.